In this video, we're going to talk about how you can turn images into short videos in Canva. So for this case, you first need to open a mobile video editor on your Canva. You can see right here, it's actually a mobile video. So for this case, you can just drag and drop the media. Just add right here your images. For example, let's add in here this one. Let's also add another, and this one is another. So you can see that each of them has 5 seconds, so you can trim it out on however long you want each of it. So let me trim it just like this. You can use the editor right here. Now, once you're in there, you just need to head over and then just set them as background of each particular part. Now, click on your image on your canvas. And from in there, the next thing to do is to head over and animate it. So click on these three dots right here and click on animate. You can see right here this image to video option. So this is actually the new creation of Canva. So you can also just choose these options for whip slide, old TV, ripple, and the likes. But if you want to turn this into a really good short video, you can use image to video option with smart options right here to generate and also custom option. Let me just choose one right here for this particular case. So animate each of it, add some animation on all of your images, and once you have played this particular video, you can see it animated and these pictures have now turned into a short video. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.